It was all a perennial dream. A dream to be wild, to be connected. Our hope and desire to grow a food forest for the future. With a nod to the past, of course, and the lore of the hazelnut, it drew us in. It drew us together. It slowed us down to the earth's pace, filled us up with patience, and greeted us with curiosity and joy. It whispered, "Thank you for showing up, for hearing that calling, for supporting that prayer." And now look, we are giving and receiving and creating that abundance and inspiration. We have the perfect excuse to play, the perfect excuse to gather and co-create. We are a drop of water in a bucket of perennial abundance. We are one foot in front of the other, marching toward a new food system, a new farm, a new Minnesota, a new Midwest, a new world, new way, new culture, a new connection, with new songs, of course.
Good job, everybody.
We like picking hazelnuts, hazelnuts, hazelnuts. We like picking hazelnuts, hazelnuts.
Who likes picking hazelnuts, hazelnuts, hazelnuts?
We like picking hazelnuts, hazelnuts, hazelnuts.
You like picking hazelnuts, hazelnuts, hazelnuts.
We like picking hazelnuts, hazelnuts, hazelnuts.
Woo-hoo!